see it out there, so yeah.
Okay.
Just rolling up. Not you want it on? And two. Oh my. Oh no. So we laughing. Come on, get out. Let's go home. Come on, Kimmy. Let's go.
It's my last morning.
Sonny, go get a dip. Go get yourself a dip.
It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. Enjoy ourselves.
I don't want to leave. Oh, go. She have to go get dinner. You're not meant to put out the party.
We don't want to leave. This is our last day. From early morning beach before we hit the plane. We go back to the state. Oh man, our vacation was beautiful.
Yeah, it was. Watch Kimmy call up on the video. Ooh. Kimmy, you ready? Yeah, do that again, Kimmy. Splash. Splash, Kimmy. Splash again. You look so good, Kevin. I said, don't wet my hair. Kevin, I said, don't wet my hair. Alright. Guys, we can't complain. The place, the food, it was nice, good, excellent. Excellent. And that's the building we're staying on, guys. That's the front view. Go on, me I walk out just to get the view. Go on with Sonny. That's dripping no sand. Okay.
Give me a little more. Sun is still in my...
Give me a little bit more on mine. Good morning, guys. It's another day. We're going to the beach. It's my last day here. My sister's day gone, and I don't know. Ria's gonna buy. We're gonna try. What's this? This is local food, Ria.
Yeah, pastichi.
What?
Pastichi.
Pastichi. All right, let's see the pastichi, guys. It's a local. We're gonna try it, and I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. Please remember to like and subscribe. Yeah. So it's a local. It's the last. What's this one? What's this word? Heritos. Heritos. It's snacks, guys. I don't know what you get. Whatever. Burgers. I see burger. Corn cake. Cheese fingers. Oh, they even have aloe vera.
Cheese, beef.
Wendy, los pasteches de queso salieron.
Quesos.
Wendy. Ham and cheese.
No.
¿Puede esperar un poquito para freír lo de queso? 5 minutos.
How much minutes?
5 minutes for the cheese.
What cheese? What are these?
So you don't have no more, cheese? ¿Cuánto cheese you think?
No, listo.
What's this one?
Beef.
Okay, I'll try.
Tengo empanada, cheese, empanada.
Empanada de arriba,
Ajá, sí.
Taduri. ¿No? ¿No taduri?
Pasteche beef.
Sa namin 3 empanada, the cheese.
Yeah, Shinanga tried. Buy 2. One for you.
Which one for you?
No, for me.
Water.
Oh no, me and her drink this. No, she ain't gonna drink so much.
All right.
Yeah, that's it.
Don't feel sick.
Yeah, that's the first.
Thank you.
Yes. Sí.
Yeah.
Tenemos 5 y 2, 7. ¿Sí? Que son 17.50, 22.50, 26.50. ¿No?
After take it out, I want to see it.
Ingeniero, buenos días.
All right, guys. So this is it basically. It's like a dumpling and beef in the middle.
If you pass by here, where they're already. Yes.
Fabian, Sonia, eat it. You like it, Sonia?
Go man.
It's like dumpling and beef in the dumpling. It's good. Fabian, she has tried it. That's good. It's local. Should I eat some? Delicious. What's this one called, Rhea? The corn one.
Empanada.
Huh?
Cheese empanada.
Cheese panada? Empanada. Lord of mercy. Alright, we're gonna try this one. It's like it's made of corn and cheese inside. It's good too. I like the first one. I just want to check. Well, the washroom, the restroom. Sorry, I keep saying bathrooms. And God, I'm country. It's a restroom. There's over here. Let's go. You can go sit in the swing. Taking some nice family pictures. Huh? Guys, we can sit in.
Right, it's good.
Oh, it's anyway.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice and cool here. Coconut on the tree, guys. All right.
This is a vacation though.
Yeah, we're gonna take a dip. High waist bath suit, bathing suit, and a top. And we're gonna go in the water. Nice but cold.
It's so nice, Sunny. Show them.
Show them down. Guys, it's nice here. The water is not that clean, but this one is fun. It's a little bit deep here, son. Wait till it's warm up first. Whew. Gotta warm the body up, Sonny. Let's go, son. There, son. It's not cold anymore. You want to try it now? Sonny, you want some water?
Nah, it's not even reaching here.
Just go deep. Go on, Sonny. Get a dip. And that's my brother over here, guys. This one is deeper a little bit, Fabian. That's okay. ASMR. Just people coming to the beach.
That's a big one, Sonny.
You get some big ones, right? Sonny?
Oh, good one. What you say?
You get more there, Sonny. Okay, take a picture.
I want to go in there.
I forgot. I always forget. This is like a Jamaican chair, no? And this other chair they have in a back Mali. Yeah, see? You have a Jamaican shirt. See the same color, look. Ha! Yeah. Same color chair. Look. Yeah.
Where it's the
Yesterday was outside there.
It's the destination.
Yeah, out that door reach yesterday. So we drop 10 because it come right out.
Okay. Bye. Bye, guys. Okay. All right, guys, we're going. Go on, Sonny. You see people them are going left way. All right, guys. That's it. You with me, Sonny? I'm walking up a boat. Get the Sonny, go for boat. All right, guys. I'll show you a little more later, but that's it so far. We're going home. Guys, the airport is full. Packed. Turn it around, Sonny. Turn the camera. Alright, guys, so basically we're ready to check on. We're just gonna go check on now and then we're gonna sit down and relax a little bit. It was a good time in Aruba. Yay! I'll see you later. It's so beautiful here, guys. That's the view. It's really clean and nice. It's like a gecko, like a lizard. Stay in there, Sonny, don't come. Alright, guys, we're just gonna go to the US what do you call it? Boarding, and then that's it.
Your safety card or ask any of the crew members as they do their final cabin check. And as always, let us know if there's
Confidence awareness.
Alright, guys, so this is Charlotte, North Carolina. So we have a connecting flight. That's how it's looking. Lots of trees. Look like outside. Right, Sonny? It looks like outside. And the chair to sit on. They're real trees, guys. Hello. It's so good. Alright guys, so we're at North Carolina. We're gonna board the next flight to Toronto. Gate B4. Gonna find our gate, right guys? I'll get back to you. And it looks something like this, guys. We need B4, B5. So where's B4? Is right here. It's right here. Gate B4, she said. Alright guys, we're just making a quick. This is my Arabian t-shirt, Aruba. Alright guys, and I have a tights. I had my sneakers on, but I took it off. It's too hot. So now we're waiting on the flight to Toronto. So we're there, it's there. And we're just waiting. Oh, I'm tired, guys. My voice, my throat is hoarse. I'm sleepy and I'm tired. I can't wait to get home. Alright, so we're all boarding now. So I'll see you when I reach Toronto, Canada. Bye, Charlotte.
You'll find the exact location on your safety card. This aircraft is designed with escape lighting on or near the floor. A sign will indicate you have reached your exit.
And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's our pleasure to welcome you to Toronto, where the current local time is 10:11 p.m.